How to do an AI background on CapCut. Open the CapCut. Import the video from device. Select the video by tapping on plus icon. Watch the clip. Click on Remove Background. Click on Auto Removal. You will see it processing. When done, you will see that background is removed. Play the clip. Now go to AI Generated. Write down the details of background you need. Click on Generate. You will see a lot of backgrounds appear on the screen. Select the one you want to use. Place the background below video. Adjust the image with video. Play the video. You will see the new background is added to the video. Now go to Adjustments. Adjust the things that need to fix. Now play the video. Go to Effect. Now add effect on video. Add blur effect. Search for blur effect. Add the effect to video. Adjust the blur. Now play and watch the clip. Now export the video. That is how you can add AI background on CapCut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.